Why might Tesla have the competitive advantage after it reopens its factories, after the automotive industry reopens its factories in the next few weeks compared to other industries? This morning on Quora, I saw an interesting story, interesting response by Terry Hurlbut, who discusses 7 ways why Tesla might have a competitive advantage against the other automakers and in the automotive sectors after it reopens its factories and starts working the gigafactory in Nevada, the Fremont factory, and also the factory in New York. So here are several reasons, actually 7 reasons. Terry writes that just before the shutdown of the factories, Tesla raised cash through the sale of stocks at premium price. So this may be one reason that Tesla is strong financially, and no wonder it's financing the gigafactory's expansion in China and also building another gigafactory in Berlin. The second reason that Terry reports is that Tesla has one of the lowest debt equity and debt to cash ratio in the industry. The third reason is Tesla plowed its revenues into expansion. As I just said, that Tesla is expanding at an enormous rate. It's building this huge and enormous phase 2 of Gigafactory at Giga Shanghai, and also actively building the Giga Berlin, its first European gigafactory, expanding in Europe. And you know that Tesla's plan is to construct one gigafactory in each continent, which Elon Musk, the CEO, said earlier about this. So Tesla plowed its revenues into expansion. The fourth reason that Terry discusses is this: Tesla has one factory operating at capacity or higher. He means the Shanghai Gigafactory. Tesla is expanding that same factory. We're talking about the phase 2 expansion, which Torque News has been chronicling here weekly. And also Tesla is building another one, means the Giga Berlin factory, which I reported this morning that has stopped again, and you can see that report today on our page, on our YouTube channel, and is scouting locations to build its next one. About Tesla. So that reason, if I summarize this, Tesla has one factory operating at capacity or higher, is expanding the same factory, is building another factory, and is scouting locations to build its next one. And we know that in the Midwestern United States, different states and different cities offer Tesla incentives to build its next gigafactory. The fifth reason, Tesla has very large pre-order backlogs for its 2 best and likely most profitable products, meaning Model Y and Model 3. We know that Tesla has a huge and very large pre-order backlogs, and once governments allow to reopen the economy and reopen the gigafactories and the Fremont factory opens, we know that Tesla is going to quickly produce these cars and try to fill these backlogs, and we don't know if the other automakers have that many backlogs. The sixth reason is that Tesla continues to stress expansion over short-term profits, which I think is a good thing. And also the seventh reason, the desire to make the temporary clearing of certain urban areas, urban sky permanent, is driving even greater demand. Let me put it one more. The desire to make the temporary clearing of certain urban skies permanent is driving even greater demands, which means that there are more people these days, that these economic uncertain days where the economies were stopped, we saw how the urban skies were cleared, right? Because the factories were not working, there was not much pollution, people were not driving their cars. Now there is a desire to keep that temporary clearing of certain urban skies permanent. That is driving even more greater demand for electric cars. And also, I saw another comment here that by Frank Hyber, who says Tesla has only one goal to build EVs and renewable power, everyone else in the automotive sector has to figure out after the reopening how to convert to EVs, how to convert to electric vehicles while managing their gas production lines, the ICE production lines as well. They are all kind of strapped for funds, except for Tesla. Tesla has its funds, and Ford and GM will likely they say file for bankruptcy this year, but I don't know if Ford and GM will likely to file for bankruptcy. This was just an opinion by Frank Haber on Quora. So they just discussed 7 reasons why Tesla might have a competitive advantage. Let me know what you think about this, friends. This is Armen Harayan at torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video to show your appreciation of all the work of people who helped me to compile this information, bring to our Torque News subscribers and viewers, and also ring the notification bell so you may be notified when I upload my next Tesla story later today. Have a wonderful day, God bless you, and see you soon.